Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video just to pick the couple of winners for the SpeedyBee Bluetooth USB adapters that we looked at a week ago. In that one I announced a bit of a giveaway for two of these things, and thank you to everybody that got with the spirit of it. It seems to definitely be something that lots of you are interested in. So 267 thumbs up, so thank you to everyone who did that, and loads of interest in the comments. So let's pick a couple of winners. Let me copy and paste the address of the video into a random comment picker, load the comments, and then the first winner is going to be Kanan Barak. Well done. And let me pick one more. Alan Jones. Alan, congratulations as well. So Kanan and Alan, you are the two lucky winners. Please send me an email to lee@painless360.com and we can get those things out to you. Don't worry for all of you that didn't manage to win one this time. Stay tuned because later on today I'm going to announce another giveaway for another piece of technology as I approach that magic 100k subscriber milestone. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.